This second video for the moderator will cover what the moderator can do 1 to 2 days before the demo. Step 1, recipe card upload. During live cooking demos, eager participants will often ask, how can we get the recipe? Therefore, you want to have the recipe card ready before the demo to share it with the audience at the time of the demo. Check that the recipe card has been uploaded to a designated folder in Google Drive so that you will be able to copy the link to the recipe card and insert it into the chat at the time of the demo. Also, click on the folder that the recipe card is in, and then click on Share. Under General Access, you'll want to make sure that anyone with the link can view and that the access is not restricted. Step 2, displaying other materials. If the RD has any other materials, like a food label, that he or she would like for you to screen share at the time of the demo, download it as a PDF so that you won't need to share your web browser to display it. Thanks for watching the second video for the moderator, where we covered the steps the moderator can do 1 to 2 days before the demo. See you in video 3 where we'll cover what steps the moderator can do right before the demo.